Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to install applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to install applications on your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the GARMIN Golf application, and also you will need to have the GARMIN Connect application installed on your phone. Because if you try to use Connect IQ Store application, this is the application I recommend to use when you try to install or download the applications on your phone, rather on your watch, my bad. If you try to use this app and you don't have the GARMIN Connect installed on your phone, you have only the GARMIN Golf, it won't detect your watch for some reason. It's weird. I tried a couple of ways, it didn't work. The only way it worked is that I installed the GARMIN Connect, then I installed the Connect IQ Store, and then it detects our watch and it says connected when you open the app. Otherwise, it won't say connected and it won't let you to install the watch faces, apps and stuff like that. And another weird thing is that you can only pair this watch with a phone via the GARMIN Golf application, because I tried to pair it with the GARMIN Connect, but it didn't work either. So now it makes this weird situation where you have to install 3 applications on your phone to install an additional watch face or install the application on your watch, which is a bit weird design, Garmin, but it is what it is. Okay, and once your watch is paired, you have GARMIN Connect, install and download and install the Connect IQ Store, and after you install it, open it, and after it loads, you should see a home page, and here you have different categories of apps and watch faces. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna tap on search and select apps category, and it will basically filter everything else. I will see only the apps. And now you can scroll through the list, look for the app you like, and tap on it. And once you tap on the application, you should see the info page of it. And here we have the description and change log, data like when it was lastly updated and stuff like that. You can also tap on compatible devices to check if your watch is compatible. It is right here on the list, which means it should work on our watch. You can check the reviews if you want, screenshots and stuff like that. And once you decide to install the application, you can tap on install. And it might take some time because it will basically queue the installation into a queue, and it might be that there is some update being installed on your watch in the background. It might take some time for it to update, and then it will install the application. So if you don't see this pop up immediately, just wait, and after some time it should install the application. Then you can tap on got it, and if you go to your watch, you should see also the pop-up on the screen. You can swipe up and you have launch or dismiss. I'm gonna dismiss it now. And if you open the menu, I believe, the favorite menu by pressing the upper button, then tap on this icon right here at the bottom. It will open the favorite menu, and then you can tap on IQ, I believe, yeah, and it will open the list of applications you have installed on your watch, and then you can tap on the icon of the app to open it. As you can see, it is working. Okay, and basically that's how you install applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.